Welcome to Fusion Designs. In today's video, we're exploring the stylish world of wood and metal coffee tables that are perfect for modern living spaces. These unique pieces not only serve as functional furniture but also double as stunning focal points in your home. We'll dive into various designs that showcase the seamless blend of warmth from wood and the sleek elegance of metal, creating the perfect harmony for any interior style. Join us as we share innovative ideas and tips for selecting and styling these trendy coffee tables. Whether you're looking to revamp your living room or simply seeking inspiration, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Modern living spaces are increasingly embracing the beauty of fusion designs, and there's no better example than trendy wood and metal coffee tables. These pieces combine the natural warmth of wood with the sleek, industrial vibe of metal, resulting in stunning furniture that complements a variety of interior styles. As we navigate through this exploration, you'll discover how these coffee tables can enhance your living space while serving as functional focal points for gatherings and daily activities. The versatility of wood and metal coffee tables allows them to fit seamlessly into contemporary, rustic, and industrial designs. Whether you prefer reclaimed barnwood paired with raw steel or polished walnut combined with chrome, the combinations are virtually limitless. This adaptability makes it easy to find a table that not only matches your existing decor, but also reflects your personal style. With such a wide array of options, there's something for everyone. When selecting your ideal coffee table, consider the size and dimensions in relation to your living space. A coffee table that is too large can overwhelm a room, while one that is too small might not provide the functionality you need. Ideally, your table should be about 2/3 the length of your sofa and position around 12 to 18 inches away for easy access. Adequate space between the table and seating is essential for comfort and movement, ensuring an inviting atmosphere for family and guests. In addition to aesthetic appeal, the choice of materials plays a significant role in the durability and longevity of the table. Solid wood options like oak or maple provide resilience and a timeless quality, while metal offers strength and a contemporary edge. For those with a more eco-conscious mindset, consider looking for tables made from sustainably sourced wood or recycled metals, contributing positively to both your space and the environment. Another exciting aspect of wood and metal coffee tables is their ability to serve as a canvas for personalization. Many designs can be easily customized through stains, paints, or finishes, allowing you to achieve a look that perfectly aligns with your vision. Adding decorative elements like coasters, books, and centerpieces can also enhance the visual appeal of your table, making it a focal point in your living room. One of the remarkable features of these hybrid tables is their functionality. Many designs come with built-in storage options, such as drawers or shelves, enabling you to keep your space organized. An efficient coffee table does more than just look good. It provides practical solutions for everyday living. Consider tables with lifting tops for a convenient dining or workspace, blending utility with elegance. As you curate the rest of your living space around your coffee table, think about complementary furniture and decor pieces. A plush area rug, cozy seating arrangements, and stylish lighting can all enhance the overall aesthetic. For instance, pairing a rustic wood and metal table with soft textiles can create a warm, inviting environment. Accentuating the industrial elements with decor items made from similar materials can also unify the space and add character. Incorporating plants and greenery into your coffee table arrangement can further elevate the design. The natural beauty of plants pairs beautifully with wood and metal, softening the overall look and adding a touch of life to the arrangement. Whether you opt for small succulents or a larger statement plant, this addition brings a refreshing vibe to your living space. Don't forget the importance of lighting when showcasing your coffee table. Proper illumination can highlight its unique features and textures. Consider placing your table near a window that allows natural light to enhance its beauty, or use stylish lamps to create a cozy atmosphere during the evenings. As trends continue to evolve, wood and metal coffee tables remain a staple in modern design. Their timeless appeal and adaptability ensure that they won't go out of style anytime soon. Embracing these fusion designs in your home not only adds aesthetic value, but also fosters a sense of comfort and sophistication. In conclusion, the right wood and metal coffee table can be a transformative piece in your living space. With a variety of styles and functionalities to choose from, you're sure to find a table that perfectly suits your lifestyle and enhances your home's ambience. Dive into the world of fusion design and let your creativity shine as you select a coffee table that embodies both beauty and practicality. Together, let's create a space where you can enjoy moments of relaxation, connection, and joy. Thank you for joining us in exploring the stylish world of wood and metal coffee tables. We hope you found inspiration for your home with our trendy fusion designs. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more creative ideas and home decor tips. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to bring you innovative content. Stay tuned for more exciting designs and inspiration.